When you've got an armload of groceries or luggage, the optional hands-free sliding doors and liftgate let you open your vehicle without having to fumble for your keys or even the door handle. There are two separate activation zones, one for the sliding door and one for the liftgate. With the key fob in your pocket, just move your foot under the activation zone in a straight, gentle kicking motion. Do not use a side-to-side or sweeping motion. The sliding doors or liftgate will power open. If equipped with the trailer tow package, you'll find the liftgate's hands-free activation zones on the left and right sides of the receiver. Use a straight, gentle kicking motion under one of the activation zones to open the hands-free liftgate. You can turn this feature on and off in your Uconnect settings. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.